Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SHYFFA ARRIZQI. You can call me Syifa. I am student of University Muhammadiyah Semarang. Now we will demonstrate the effective count. Effective count is a correct count method route, which client can excrete a maximum amount of sputum. The effective count therapy is usually performed to the patient with lungs disease such 1. Asthma, 2. Fibrosis, and 3. Tuberculosis. The following steps of an effective cough are: 1. Drink a glass of warm water. 2. Dilute the mucus or phlegm in the respiratory tract. Take a deep breath to take a lot of air through the nose while you are developing your chest and shrug your shoulder. Then hold if you're a few seconds and exhale through your mouth slowly. Do the breathing as explained before by at least 3 or your types. At the fifth, after holding the air in the chest cavity a few seconds, the excrete it by coughing with strong pressure. While pressing the chest with a pillow until the sputum out the maximum patch secretion in the sputum pot. Okay? Perform an effective way of cough when the secret is difficult to remove. Okay? Okay, thank you.